Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I'm showing you a view of my garage door, and I want you to hear the sound of it before I change the hinges to new hinges. This is what it sounds right now. It's about 40 years this garage door has been here. Now you're going to hear, after all hinges and rollers have been replaced with new ones, you're going to see how quiet it is. So just observe and listen. Let's see. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to take you to the workbench. Don't take a chance trying to work with anything that you don't feel comfortable with. So, and do one hinge at a time only. Do not take them all off. That would not be good. Okay, folks, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.